Today you're joining me in my garage for a couple of reasons. First, it's cold and rainy in Chicago, like always, and because I'm very happy to introduce my new project car. This is a BMW Z4 with a N20 engine. I purchased it at auction. It just showed up a couple days ago, and I'm going to be working on it for the next few weeks. You may be asking, why am I going to be working on it? What's wrong with it? I will reveal that in a couple of minutes. But I purchased the car for about $6,000, including the fees, which makes it a pretty good deal if you ask me. These usually go for over 20, depending on the mileage and the condition. Let me take you around the car and show you the condition, what we're going to be working with, and then at the end I'll reveal why I got it for such a good price. Then I will also reveal what is my plan for the car, what is it that I'm going to be doing with it. Stick around, hope you enjoy. As you can see, the car doesn't have any damage. There's no scratches, there's no missing parts or anything like that. The wheels are in good condition. No curb rash other than a little piece here and maybe a couple other ones in the other wheels. Tires are actually fairly new. Let's keep going around. The paint's in good condition. Yes, it's very dirty at the moment, but it was on the truck for a few days, so that, that's understandable. Keep going around. No damage on the back as well. For an auction car, it's actually in very good condition. We're gonna go inside. You can see it's a little dirty. The leather is gonna need to be cleaned and conditioned. It is, of course, a manual. I've always wanted a two-seater car. Always wanted a roadster. Was never really able to afford it, so I had to go with this option. I can't spend $20,000 on a car, but I can spend $6,000 on a car. It's in really good condition inside. The leather's in decent condition. The only problem area is probably right here, but I think that could be cleaned up and maybe reconditioned. We'll see how that's gonna come out. The dash is in really good condition as well. There's no damage at all. This is more of a basic version. There's no navigation or anything like that. Well, that's still pretty good. We'll go to the other side. Everything looks good on this side as well. It has a few options. Has comfort access, so there's a little notch over here that you touch to, actually right there, for the comfort access to lock and unlock the car, so you don't have to take the key out, things like that. It is rear-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive. I think it looks really good. Probably gonna upgrade the grille and a couple other things, to make it look a little more mean, but that's all to come. My favorite part about this car is the roof. All you gotta do, press and hold the unlock button. And magic starts to happen. I just love this. This is kind of the entire reason for getting this car. You can also drive up to 35 or 40 miles an hour and do this and open the roof at the same time. That's it. Now you have a roadster. Now the main reason why I got this car for so cheap was because of this. As you can or maybe cannot hear, the engine needs a lot of attention. I'm gonna shut it off. As you heard just there, the engine is very poor condition, so I'll be taking on this project and either rebuilding the engine or replacing the engine completely. First, I'm gonna start by going with a few steps to see what I can do, troubleshoot them, see if it's a fixable engine. That's gonna be the next video. I'm gonna go through the steps of figuring out whether the engine is savable or if I just need to go ahead and buy a new engine and replace it. Well, I hope you guys stick around for this project car. I'm going to be making a lot of videos about it, fixing the engine or replacing the engine. There's definitely going to be something happening with it. Subscribe, like if you like the video, like if you like the car. If you don't like the car or think it was a stupid deal on my part, let me know in the comments. I read all the comments, reply to any questions you guys have, so let me know and see you in the next one.